Hello everyone. Take a small section of the hair from the front and then take some hair tape and then stick it to the front. This will help to evenly cut the hair. Make sure that the sides are twisted before you do so. Now, starting off with the center, straight cut through the hair right below the level of the tape. Do this at around the eyebrow level. As for the sides, take off the tape. Pull a comb through the center first. Make a slight diagonal cut in the hair as such, outwards moving in. Make the inner sections longer for a change and then make it frame the face as such. Next, take the front section of the hair, pull it to one side, cut it at the level of the chin. Pull a comb through it and then begin to make vertical cuts in it. After you are done with this, take the hair straightener or a blow dryer and then put the hair upwards and blow dry the hair accordingly. This will help set the hair. After this, you may also use the hair straightener. Next, take a section from the front of the hair, pull the comb through, put it to the eye level and then begin to cut the hair in these step layers as such. Once you are done with this, begin to make vertical cuts in the hair to make sure that it blends all the more better. Now, make a level at the chin. Next, take a section from the front of the hair, pull a comb through the hair and then cut it at the eye level. After you are done with this, make vertical cuts in the hair and set it accordingly. Add the hair straightener to it. Thank you for watching.